try my best to capture it in a song. And there was a performance that I had to make one night, and it was for Ikunyanti. And the father was holding a huklu ceremony for his wife. And I didn't know why there was even a ceremony for her, or why did she need to have this ceremony. And when he went up on stage, he explained what had happened, or why she was even there, or why there was even a ceremony. He explained that one morning, both of them were getting up, getting ready for work, like they normally do, and he could see her from a distance. She was in the bathroom. And the instant that she saw him, well, he saw her in the bathroom, and all of a sudden she had fallen down. And he thought, you know, what the heck is she doing? We gotta get going to work right now. And so he said, hey, you know, let's get up. We gotta go to work. We gotta go to work now, right now. She didn't get up. He went over there. He went down, and he turned her over. And right then and there, you guys remember, this guy is like a 50-year-old man. And for him to tell this story, it was in tears. It was so powerful. He knew at that instant that something was wrong, terribly wrong with his life. And so, obviously, that ceremony brought a deep sentiment to me. It felt really good for me to be there and to realize that I was celebrating part of their love and also part of their good health. So Jenna, this song is called Jingu, and it comes off of my new album as well.